Hi guys, Miss Andronica is back again, and here we are starting to interpret worded algebra questions. So with the first one, 4 times a number plus 5, I just want you to write it exactly as you see it. So 4 times, we know is multiply, a number, and you can use any variable for that, plus 5. So as soon as you see a number, and they don't tell you what the number is, you want to just allocate any variable. Now, because we know our algebra conventions, here we can change that to 4n plus 5. Number 2, 3 added to the quotient of a number and 2. So quotient, we need to know means division. And what we've got is 3 added to the quotient of a number and 2. And because we know our division in our algebra, we want to keep that looking like a fraction. We can have it that way, or because we know division always comes first, equally, we could also write it as n divided by 2 plus 3. So either way, it would still mean the same thing. Number 3, 8 subtracted from 15 and then multiplied by 6. So here, we know straight away it's going against what BidMaster usually tells us to do. So from here, we've got 8 subtracted from 15. So we want to do 15 subtracted by 8. So we've got to be very careful with the way they put their subtractions. So we've got to put the 15 first and then multiplied by 6. So we actually need to create brackets for that one, and we want it multiplied by 6. And that would be the best way to write that. A number tripled and divided by 6 equals 2. What is the number? So number 4 here now is asking something a little bit different. We actually need to figure out what that number is. So for number 4, it's a number tripled and divided by 6 equals 2. So let's do a number tripled. What does that mean to us? Is that a number cubed? A number tripled is a bit different. It's 3 times the number, and we'll just say 3n, and divided by 6, a number tripled and divided by 6 equals 2. So a number tripled, we've done that bit, and divided by 6 in the end. So we actually then need to take it all and divide it by 6, and that's telling us it equals 2. From there, we can see that we've got a two-step equation. It's algebra. We can work backwards. We can work through to find that number. So multiply by 6 to get rid of that beneath me. That's 3n equals 12. Divided by 3, cancel that away, n equals 4. Of course, then, because we know it's algebra, we need to always go ahead and do our check. So we substitute back in 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 6, and we know 3 times 4 is 12, divided by 6 equals 2. And are we correct? Yes, we are. Remember, this is a worded question now, so we always need to keep with the therefore answer. Therefore, the number equals 4. That's the end of the interpreting worded algebra questions for now. Ciao for now.